Hi guys, I'm Anamika. Welcome you all to this video. Today I'm gonna reviewing 5 charming lip shades sent by MI Fashion from their range of creamy matte lipsticks. This is their 5 beautiful shades. First of all, we will dig down packaging of their product, which has a hard cardboard box with shiny silvery finish and black bold branding on it. So first of all, I am going to prepare my lips to wear this creamy matte lipsticks. So for the first step, I am scrubbing my lips to remove all the dirt and dead skin cells from it. And after that, I washed my lips and it looked like so smooth. It feels like so smooth and healthy. And then I'm using a lip balm to moisturize my lips. And then to set all the things, I'm using loose powder. Now my lips are totally ready. So this is the height I'm just swatching. They're all beautiful colors. The first one is number 22. It has a come reddish pinkish tint, I guess. And just look at the color. This color is so gorgeous. It gives your skin, it gives your lips a nice creamy texture. You can wear it anywhere you want. So the next shade is 01. As you can see, it has more darker red hue in it. It gives you more darker tint to your skin, and I love this bold color. I think it blends with any party wear. So keep this shade with you to always be party ready. The next shade is 09. It has a beautiful orangish red texture that blends with your skin very easily. I love their moisturized creamy texture. I really love with their products. So this is very beautiful reddish orange color. I love this bold color. And I think this is a Pout perfect color. The next one is number 17. I think it is must have for working women who wants a daily wear lip shade. This beautiful pink shade blends with any outfit, and I think it's suitable for any ages. If you want to buy this amazing product, then please do check out their official page, MI Fashion. Now coming to my favorite shade, which is number 06. My crazy mind always telling me to wear it daily, but don't do this. Just wear it occasionally. And this bold brownish winey red color, I like this color the most. And if you want to create a bold look, this is perfect shade for you. So these are the 5 beautiful creamy matte shade from MI Fashion. So if you want to buy, you may buy from their official website. Do check their official page and check their products. So I hope you will definitely like their products. So keep shopping from MI Fashion. Bye.